A disturbing video circulating on social media has sparked outrage after it showed a Zimbabwean woman being verbally attacked and chased off the streets of Pretoria, South Africa by a group of local women. Zarabeda mashoko atona kuti there is a woman, a Zimbabwean woman anochaswa from the streets of South Africa as they go back to Mnangagwa. Apo akaonekwa achibega masitizi nobo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina mnamu branyo kwa mchinzi. The video, which is just under 2 minutes long, captures a tense and humiliating encounter. In it, several South African women can be heard shouting at Zimbabwe national, accusing her of tarnishing their country's image and blaming her for bringing poverty into their communities. In quotes, "We are tired of your poverty. Go back to Zimbabwe and fix your problems with Mnangagwa," one woman is heard yelling. "We don't want to see you here in Pretoria again. Go back to Zimbabwe. When tourists come here, they think you are a South African woman. You are soiling our image." The visibly shaken Zimbabwean woman does not retaliate in the clip, but is seen slowly backing away as the group continues to berate her. The video has drawn strong reaction online, with the human rights activists and members of the Zimbabwean diaspora condemning the harassment as xenophobic and inhuman. Some commentators noted the irony in blaming individuals migrants for structural, political, and economic issues. This is a heartbreaking reminder of the holistic many Zimbabweans face while trying to survive outside their own collapsing economy, said a Twitter user who shared the video, blaming ordinary people for decisions made by governments in both cruel and short-sighted. As the video continues to circulate, calls are growing for South African authorities to condemn the harassment and take steps to protect foreign nationals, while also urging Zimbabwean leadership to address the root cause of the exodus. Lomashkwarubuda panguva ino zvinokuva kunzi aiwa Mnangagwa is totally failed. Tarirai vanhu vari kutambura vachienda kune dzimwe nyika. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Enda kumasection medu mudze mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.